I went home already, but Selco kat sini. So, this is the moment of truth. We wait 5 more minutes, okay? This is the moment of truth. There's no first place, no second place. There's just 2 winners, and each of you will win the brand new Prada LG phone, okay? And so the first winner of the Prada LG phone goes to... Let's have the picture. Congratulations! Come on over here. I'd like to invite Salman to give away the prize. The CMO of Selcom said, congratulations. Well done. That is indeed a very nice pose. Okay, let's have all the models. Pictures with the bloggers, make sure his face is all over the blogs in Malaysia and worldwide. My friend, I think you are the first or one of the first in Malaysia to get the Prada LG phone. From Selcom, you're the first. That's a genuine smile, very nice. Wait. Can you do that pose one more time? Do that pose behind there. Your winning pose. Ada gaya. Very nice. Okay, congratulations.
Thank you.
Congratulations. Wait. Let me chit chat with you a little bit. What's your name?
KY.
KY. So KY, what was that pose about? Was it an Egyptian pharaoh pose?
Yeah, that was an Egyptian thing.
How long did it take for you to come up with that idea?
A couple of minutes.
Couple of minutes, yeah? And that couple of minutes have won you a Prada LG phone. Woo! Big round of applause to KY. Well done. Okay, jangan sedih lagi. We still got one more Prada LG phone to give away, and the lucky winner is the very gorgeous Larga. What's your name? Congratulations. Come on over now. Wait, I know you got a sister, right?
Yeah.
So who's who? You are?
Jane.
Jane. Your sister is? Ashley. Okay, Jane, congratulations. Where are models? Oh, okay. Congratulations. Jane, you got to do that pose. You got to do the, yeah, kind of pose. Dragon Ball pose. Let's talk about that Dragon Ball pose in just a minute. Oh, this one, you see, we got girl winner, all the photographers is guys. Okay, thank you very much. Thank you, Salman. Oh, wait, hold on, Jane. Tell me a little bit about your pose. What's that, Dragon Ball?
Yeah, Dragon Ball.
Okay, so what do you think about the new Prada LG phone?
It's really pretty. Yeah, like it.
It's as pretty as you. So, are you going to stay back and continue partying with them?
Yeah, probably.
Yay, you better,